Check out that sandwich. So what I'm doing here is I'm going to make a quick sauce out of tomatoes that I just picked out of the garden. And I'm not going to cook it for real long, which normally you would do. So it'll be a little bright, but it's going to be good. It's going to go on a sandwich. Just cut it into little pieces. So I didn't peel these tomatoes or seed them or anything. I'm just going to chuck them in olive oil. Now I'll chop up a little bit of garlic. And in that goes. This is going to generate a lot of water, which is why when you do fresh tomato sauce, you want to cook it down and, boil it down quite a bit. So a little bit of salt. A little black pepper. A little crushed red pepper. All right, there's a little bit of fresh oregano. I just rinsed it, and here's fresh basil. And the basil I'm going to cut up. All right, so I got some chicken breast here. And all I'm going to do is salt, pepper, and I'm going to cook it on the gas grill. I'm not going to light the charcoal grill. Gas grill will be good enough for this. A little bit of black pepper. Now I'm going to rub them down with a little bit of olive oil. You could do the olive oil before the salt and pepper. But either way, it doesn't matter. All right, so I got the chicken grilled. It's good. Now I'm going to cut it into small pieces. The tomato sauce is pretty good. All right, now a little bit of honey. My buddy makes this honey, by the way. And the honey, that sauce is going to be bright because it's fresh tomatoes, and I didn't cook it for very long, so it's going to be a little bright. This honey will tame that down. Looks like I got to buy another Sriracha, but that honey will tame that acid down. All right, now to flip the chicken. So all I'm just doing is just flipping this and getting a coat of that Sriracha and honey. All right, I got a nice piece of French bread here, fresh. Now to build the sandwich. This is going to be another one of those sandwiches where after lunch you don't feel like doing nothing. This is a lot of sandwich already. There's going to be a job to fold it. Don't want to waste that Sriracha juice. Look at that. And here's how the sauce turned out. It's good. Tastes good. I already tasted it. This sandwich is going to be a mess. Mozzarella cheese, mozzarella cheese. There is that. And into the toaster oven it goes. That is going to be a beauty. Let me get it off of this paper. All right, this is the top. I'm just going to let it rip and try it. Here we go. Oh, it's nerve-wracking. All right, here is the sandwich. That's really good. You can taste the garden fresh tomatoes, like they pop. You could taste everything. I'm getting the Sriracha lick. This is really good. Give this one a go. Good lunch.